Good day, everyone. Mr. AC here from Phoenix, Arizona. It is February 27th and it's going to be about 76 degrees out today. That means people will be checking out their ACs throughout this weekend. Even tomorrow will be about 80 degrees. Today I want to talk about the Tahoes. The Tahoes with the 4.8, the 5.3, and the 6.0 engines. All those compressors are the same and they sit on the bottom of the vehicle. Now, on this vehicle, it is very important to check that fan clutch. If that fan clutch ain't up to par, you're going to have an AC issue. And the AC issue I want to talk about today is when you accelerate and you hear this clacking noise in the vehicle. That is your tensioner slapping back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, making noise because there is something wrong in the interior of the compressor. And the interior part of the compressor is one of the plates have either warped or broke off. I'll show you some pictures. I got pictures here. And in a vehicle like this one, it is definitely important to replace more than just the compressor. You have to replace the dryer, you have to replace the orifice tube, and best of all, you should replace that condenser. The condenser is a non-flushable in that vehicle, and it's a part, what I call a throwaway. Because when things go bad, you throw it away and you put a new one. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. Vehicles these days require all these replacements, or you're going to go through the same issue, believe it or not. Yes, AC parts can be expensive, and yes, to find somebody to do the job the right way can also be somewhat expensive. Shops these days are charging $1,500 to $2,000, and they ain't getting your parts at the dealer, I can tell you that. But do make sure when you buy something that you're going to buy enough to where you're going to get a warranty. A lot of places sell lifetime warranties. Some places only give you like 2-year warranty. It just depends on where you go. But be careful, you want to look online. Those warranties are not the best. And sometimes I've gotten people that order their AC compressors and we install them and they don't even work. Then we got to send them back, buy our own. It's a big headache. Most of the time the customers lose out because they don't even take the time to send them back. They just, hey, well, you keep it. What am I going to do with this thing? It's broken. But be careful where you shop. Definitely shop. It's okay to call 1-800-RADIATOR. I use them all the time. Just be careful with refurbished stuff. Those warranties are not too big. And it depends on where you go. So, that is my tip for the day. Have a good one.